In Tieto Every, we make sure all your IT stuff works. All day, every day. IT stuff in this context is all the hardware and software your organisation uses every day. Not being able to work because of software issues, slow applications, or simply that the computer or phone died is something we've all experienced. This accounts for at least a day or two of lost productivity every year. Now, if you have a couple of thousand employees in your organisation, that's a lot of lost productivity. So what's our approach to solve this? Well, first of all, we strive to be in front of all the software and hardware issues that may occur. For example, if an application is slow, we quickly identify if the issue is at the end user and attempt to solve it with auto-remediation. If the problem requires physical service, the employee can use an on-site vending machine to get a replacement device and send off the broken one for repair. The employee will be up and running in minutes with hardly any loss of productivity, all while keeping the asset management and reporting up to date. So we strive to make sure everything works always, and if it doesn't, the loss of productivity will be at a minimum. That makes employees happy, and happy employees are more productive, right? We monitor this through end-user experience scores and XLA reports. And we use predictive analytics services in order to prevent issues from happening before they occur. Being data-driven like this, by basing the user experience and productivity on facts and substantial insights, also means we can enable better decision-making. For example, on necessary changes to empower the employees, reducing license costs, or ROI data on new investments. So if you want more productivity, less downtime and great user experience, just get in touch with us at Tieto Every.